Hey my friend, it's Will here over at Pips and Gains, and welcome back to another trading analyst video. Today we're going to do another update on the USD Swiss franc, and we're just going to go over the charts and what is the likely direction for this pair next. So before we get into the video, if you are new to the channel and you haven't yet subscribed yet and want to stay up to date with some awesome trading content where I share with you my 14 years plus experience in the FX markets, simply hit the subscribe button and the thumbs up. So let's head over to TradingView. Now, first off, you can follow me, the FX Ace, over TradingView, and you'll be able to go through my trading ideas that I regularly post there, the reasons behind them. They really will help your trading and understanding of the charts. So let's head into the USD Swiss franc and see what is the likely path next. Now, first off, I have got a short course on YouTube here that I've just created last week, which will show you exactly how I identify key areas on the chart for buying and selling. The best areas in the chart where institutions and large players will likely be entering and exiting the markets. That course will show you that. It's just a 3-part video course on my channel. There will be a playlist link above here, either on the left or the right, where you can head over and watch that, and you'll be able to understand the market cycles and what we basically talk about in this video a bit more in depth. So first off, we want to head over to the monthly charts and see what is going on. So we are looking like we're going to get the close, finally get the close below 88, the monthly close. On the monthly charts, these are kind of the key areas that I'm looking at the minute. We've got this 2015 DPEG low. Okay, this will be different across all different platforms. And these are the kind of areas in the monthly chart that I'm looking at. We have what's looking like this newly created monthly supply / sell zone. We have to just wait for the monthly close for this to be confirmed. The reason being, this is a zone. We have this leg down. We're in this current leg down, and this area here we can see as the market's moving down, the market pauses for a month or two, and then this month we finally get the breakdown to the new low. Okay, it takes out this low and takes out this low. So this is the origin of the move that took out this low here and has created this new low. Now this will only be confirmed, this zone will only be confirmed when we actually do get the monthly close, which is kind of tomorrow, and it is looking likely. But I do feel short term we will be moving up. Now, to test this 88 area, and this video I will show you how to benefit from this possible setup. So that is what we're looking at in the monthly charts. If we zoom into the weekly, we can see it a little bit clearer now on the weekly charts where the origin of the breakdown happened, which is here. And if we just have to zoom out a bit, we've got this kind of buy area here, which will fill in green. This last week was more of a pause. It wasn't more of a reversal. It's just a pause. So a couple of scenarios that could be happening here is we just break straight down here and then get the pullback, or we get the pullback now and for a move up. To do that, to understand what is likely to be the next path, we have to go down to the lower time frames and see what exactly is going on. So I want to see, what I want to look at here now is just on the 4-hour charts, just the lower time frames, the kind of price action around this pause. A good video to watch is my last video that I posted on my channel on market cycles to understand what is happening, what is currently happening now on this pair. So we've had this down leg here, and now the market has moved into a sideways period. This is what you call a period of accumulation. Now, what normally happens is we get the breakout of that accumulation period, and then price action will very rarely will it go straight all the way back up. It will come back down and test the breakout area. It will go back into the accumulation period to test that. And that is exactly what is happening. Now we've had the sideways movement. We've had the breakout of the accumulation period. And the market's been slowly making its way down, back down to this accumulation period, to really more or less the breakout area. You can see these three candles here. Now these are institutional candles. The reason they're institutional, look at the height and look at the length of them. This is institutional buying to push the market up here. So we want to wait for the market to come back down. You don't want to be buying up here. You want to wait for the market to come back down into this accumulation period and then enter the buy trade. Now to do that, we want a signal on my TRFX indicator. Also, if you look at the 2-hour charts, you can see price action here where it's nowhere near as bearish as this. Nowhere near it. It pops, it drops, then comes up, drops a new low, buyers come back in again, pops a new low, buyers come back in again, pops a new low, buyers have already started to come back in. So this is clearly indicating at this area here, we have had on the 4-hour charts where we had this institutional buying last week, that this would be a good area to get back in. Now, how to do this? We'll turn on the TRFX indicator, and I'm going to wait for a signal on a 4-hour, 6-hour, 8-hour, 12-hour chart. Now, if you don't have TradingView Premium, you'll have to just deal with the 4-hour or the daily time frames. 1 hour is a little bit too. You can, but there's be a lot more signals, a lot more noise. So the kind of 4-hour up is what you want to be looking at. Now, I'll tell you how to access this indicator in a minute. Absolutely free to use for a limited time. So the target for this, again, once we get the signal, is 88. It's just a breakout level on could even go further up. So that is the kind of direction for this. This is a kind of basic trade. Like I said, I want to see on the lower time frames what price action is telling us. Okay, it's already told us what cycle we're in. Okay, we've had the down leg, we've had a period of sideways movement accumulation, we've had the breakout of the accumulation. Next, what normally happens after that is a price will pull back down into a period of accumulation and then rocket off. So that is the trade idea. To access the indicator, absolutely free to use for a limited time. There will be a link in the description area of this video. Just head over there. You will be asked to enter your email. Then you'll receive an email from me, just basically to send me your TradingView username, which will be this one here when you log in the TradingView. To send that email. Now you will need to follow me on TradingView do not be sending me this without following me on TradingView. You'll have to look up the FX Ace and then just select follow. So that is it. It's a great setup. It's a great setup. Make sure you use the TRFX indicator. Don't forget to go through my new trading course on TradingView here, on YouTube, and let me know in the comments below. Again, it's trade at your own risk. Let me know how you get on if you do take the trade. Hope this video helps. Subscribe to the channel, and I shall see you on the next video. Will over at Pips and Gains.